Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video we will see all versus remove filter function in DAX, and we will see how to use these functions inside Power BI. So I have an business use case for our electronic store dataset, and the manager wants to show the region wise revenue percentage and compare that with the total sales. And we will also see how these two functions which helps to ignore the filter context and other filters which are applied in the report. So let's start. So I'm inside Power BI now. So let us create a new measure and see how these functions perform. So I will give a title like sales by all, and I will use my calculate function, and I'm going to calculate my total sales. So in the filter section, I'm going to use my all function here. So if you see the syntax for this all function, which gives the table as an output, and it ignores any filters which are applied to that table. So I will use my region column here, and let us see in the table. So I will bring my measure in this table. So now you can see that our all function which ignores the filter context, and it gives the total sales for each record. So this is how all function which is used to ignore the filter context which are applied in the visual. I will also add an slicer here to show how these all function which is used in different use case. So I'll bring in category column and in a slicer. So from this slicer, if I select TV from the category section, so now you can see that how this total sales measure which applies the filter context and gives me the total sales for each region. But whereas my all function which ignores my filter context, and it takes the total sales alone and gives me for each record. So this is how all function which is used to ignore the filter context in different business use case. So if I select laptop, same has been applied here, and I can select any categories. So my all function which ignores the filter context, and it also ignores any filters which are applied to my customer table. So this is how all function which is used in different business use cases. So now we will see how these remove filters which are used in each visual. So let me create a new measure for that, and I'll give a title like sales by remove filter. So I'm going to use my same function here. I'm going to sum up my sales, and in the filter section I'm going to use my remove filter function here. So here also I will give my region column. So this DAX function which is exactly similar to my all function. So this remove filter which removes any filters which are applied to this region column. So I will hit enter, and I will use this measure in this table. So you can see that my remove filter measure, which works exactly like my all function. So it also ignores the filter contexts which are applied in this visual, and it also ignores any filters which are applied to my region column. So the remove filter function, which gives the same result exactly like my all function. So the only difference is the all function can give the result in a form of table. So for example, I can create a new table here by using all function. So I can say it as duplicate of product. So here I can use my all function and I can mention the table so that it gives me the entire table again. So this is the main difference between all function and remove filter function. So I hope you understood the concept between these two functions and how it really works inside Power BI. And thanks for watching this video.